Intakes are the lifeblood of your practice. Modern law firms gather information from many different sources: ad campaigns, call centers, websites, and of course referrals from other law firms. Processing the information from all these sources is critical in signing up clients, and it becomes seamless with the Needles customizable intake screen and our simple import-export process. Key features include tracking referrals, checking for conflicts, and setting appointments. A case-type specific workflow guides your intake specialist through the process step by step. Gathering this information allows you to decide whether you want to accept a case, refer it, or reject it. You can do this with one intake at a time or turn multiple intakes into cases all at once with just a click. Once this decision is made, Needles will send the case data to the appropriate place automatically so your staff can get to work right away for your firm's newest client.